Take your pick. Jesse James, Billy the Kid, or even Killer Miller.
Killer Miller? Where's Killer Miller? Take this!
Heck, kid, I wasn't aiming for your feather duster, but I guess it's all the same now. Adios.
Shot! You see that, kitty?
Stupid cat! Woo! That was close! Oh.
Marshall, I think you should go lay down.
You lie down!
Yeah, you're having kind of a bad day.
No bad day!
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll look after the street for you. You forgot your pants, sir. Sorry, Marshall. But mister, he's retired for the night.
He'll see me.
No, he won't.
Yes, he will.
No, he won't.
What the heck? Good. Hey!
Do something I would.
Well, here I am, old man. Why don't you go ahead and do something?
I am doing something. Damn it, will Miller! It's really yappy. Yeah. No, there's always one around here this time of night. Don't move a muscle. And scoot over there a little bit that way. But don't move the muscle. Let's scoot over there a little bit. Don't move. All right. Shh. Gotcha! Hey, Miller, I got this kid going here.
Come on.
Right, if I knew somebody was in this barrel, boy, throw this hideous Snake had a gun, very dangerous.
Yeah, sure it did. What else you got?
Well, that's all I got.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, I knew somebody was in this barrel.
Oh, but I got a gun.
That's gonna be hard to cut in half.
Just throw him in.
All right, there'll be some pushing. All right, here we go. Whole box of knives, nobody in there. Oh my gosh, nobody in there, look at that. Whole box of knives. Hey, look at that, folks. Got more knives in here, whole box of them. Here we go. That's right, folks, I can do this. Oh,
No!
oh no, time for the dreaded spoon.
Ooh!
Huh? I don't know. Hey, thought that was funny, huh? Yeah? We'll get a load of this. Hey, nothing to worry about, just a slight bladder control problem. May God help him. Must be that Mexican jumping dynamite. Huh?
Yeah, right.
Let's throw that back in there. All right, here we go.
Wait!
Why?
What's he gotta do, folks?
Gotta light it!
Light it.
Look, I got all smart all of a sudden. Yeah, I'd light it, but I don't seem to have any matches. Anybody got a light? Kids? Anyone? You got a light, kid? Yep, right now, see? Run, dummy!
Look! Nothing!
I don't know. Must have been a dive. All right, don't get your panties in a bunch.
Finally,
kid. What the heck is going on around here? Come on, kid.
Look out, Deputy!
Nah!
Do you want some of this, old man? No? Yeah, that's right.
Wow!
I get his boots.
Get out of here.
Oh no!
Hey, nice job, kid. Come on.
Whoa!
Quick, get a gun!
Hey, that's a good idea.
All right, Doctor. We got him on the run. Find something to shoot back with. I'll draw his fire. What do you got, little boy?
Hey, mister, you gotta hold your pants.
I got this, Marshall.
Where are you?
Marshall,
You're supposed to be down there.
I'm down here with my gun. Yeah,
I'm up here with my gun.
Miller's not sticking to the plan.
Miller? Miller, where's Miller?
Right here.
Ah,
What are you doing, old man?
Marshall!
Oh no!
Oh,